Okay guys, so quick question to be answered today. Literally, it's going to be on 4 simple things that can help you with recovery. Okay, our four of our top tips to help you with recovery. Because ultimately, most people love to train hard, but they totally forget about the recovery side of things, and that is not going to help you. So we've got 4 simple things that you could utilise today to help you with recovery. Obviously, let us know if you use any of them. I want to know how you get on with it, and let me know your feedback. But like I say, recovery is a key part of everything, right? Train hard, but also recover harder, okay? Simple. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, make sure you're hydrated, right. You know, don't dehydrate yourself. So if your wee's not like a clear colour, right, and it's going a bit yellow, it's a good sign you're dehydrated. Water is a very important part for recovery, for flushing out everything out of the system. So make sure you're drinking plenty. It will also allow you to make sure the body's working as it should be when you're training as well. So just make sure if you're training a lot that you're recovering by getting plenty of water through the system. Usually 2 to 3 litres a day for most people works very well. Okay, so that's 1 tip. Okay, tip number 2, make sure your nutrition's on point. Okay, make sure you're eating the right base of macronutrients, so your proteins, your carbs, and your fats for your goals. Everyone that wants to either maintain muscle mass or gain a bit more muscle needs to be making sure that their protein is on point, okay? Because that's a big one that people fluff out, because that helps rebuild, repair, and also, what many people forget is protein also helps with your immune system. So, make sure that's right as well. Numbers and percentages, okay? Number 3, Epsom salt baths, okay? Or salt baths. They can work wonders for you, okay? These simple things, such as getting the Epsom salts, just tip a cup into your bath in warm water, helps get direct into your skin, absorbed into the muscles, right, and it helps get your electrolytes back into the system. Okay, so that's tip number 3. Tip number 4, well, it's sort of 4 and 5. I'm going to give you a bonus one. So making sure that you're stretching. Okay, make sure you do some form of gentle stretching, either post-training or the next day, to help relieve the muscles off. The worst thing that you can do for recovery and for soreness is making sure that it's just sitting down, but just sitting down and not doing anything. Okay, so this is where doing something like a brisk walk, okay, or a swim, or a gentle cycle ride will help loosen you off. It'll help get blood flow to the muscles, to help repair them, to help them get better and recover faster. All right, worst thing you can do is sit down and do nothing. So okay, so that's 4 tips, well, 5 tips that you can use today to go and help you repair better from training. All right, so just make sure you're balancing your training with your recovery. Don't just train all the time, because you're asking for an injury if you do that. All right, take care, team.